How to enable or disable WhatsApp link preview on iPhone. So if you want to turn on or you want to turn off your WhatsApp link preview, so that each time you pasted a link on your WhatsApp chat, then the WhatsApp application will not automatically bring up information about the link just like this. Then this video is going to walk you through, or you can easily do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or enable WhatsApp link preview on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app. Click on settings at the bottom right. This is going to take you to your WhatsApp profile page or settings page, whatever. Then scroll down the page, locate privacy and click on that. Now, under privacy, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then once you get to the bottom of the page, you'll see advanced, click on it. Under advanced, locate disable link previews. Then you can see to help protect your IP address from being inferred by a third-party website, previews for the link you shared in chat will no longer be generated. Then once that is enabled, that's going to disable the link preview, and once this, that's going to turn on link preview. So switch this to whatever that pleases you to enable or disable the link preview. So in this case, once you have it turned on like this, that means the link preview is turned on. Then you can now go back to the WhatsApp chat, then try to paste any link, then you should see the preview for the link removed. So you can only send the link just like this. So that is basically how to disable or enable WhatsApp link previews on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.